Sri Guru Namaः, Sri Acharya Guru Namaः. Welcome to Amritanga Video Series, episode number 1743. Here I am presenting interesting pattern Mora Mukta Mugipu in Tisrakati Ayudanam. This Mora set to 90-60 as Mukta set to 48 years age. Hope you'll enjoy my non-stop video series on varieties of Mora Mukta Mugipu in various talas without repeating any idea or pattern so far since last 1742 days non-stop. You can log on to my YouTube channel, Dr. P. Srinivas Gopalan, to find normal videos now. Let me demonstrate this Mora for you.